Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you can't already tell from the title of this video, today I'm going to be unboxing the Beauteque July Beauty Box and the Mask Maven. So let's get started. So if you guys have never heard of Beauteque, they're actually a Korean beauty subscription service. So you can sign up to receive different types of beauty boxes or Mask Maven bags. And so within each box, so like with the beauty box, you get like 6 different types of K-beauty items, and they're full-size items. And then with their Mask Maven, you get 9 different types of masks containing like lip masks, feet masks, face masks, and things like that. And they're all for like a set price you pay per month. And I think the longer that you subscribe, you can actually get discounted prices. So if you're just doing month to month, then it's a set price. But if you want to subscribe for like a 12-month subscription service, then it's a lot cheaper that way. Alright, so before I start, I just want to clarify that my allergies is like through the roof today. I don't know why, but I'm gonna sound kind of nasally throughout the video, so I apologize for that, okay? I'm gonna start off with the beauty box, and just to recap, you get 6 full-size products for the price of $24, and the actual retail price for this entire box goes for around $60 to $65. So yeah. So I know it's like September already, and I know you guys are probably wondering like,
oh my gosh, like why are you unboxing a July box when it's already September? But
things happen, things get pushed back, and that's just how it is. But for the month of July, their theme is But First Brunch. And so I'm really glad that they brought back, you know, the informational cards, because it's just more helpful, because you get a little bit more insight of the products that you're receiving. So I'm just gonna go one by one. All right, let's start with this one. This is from Urban City. This is their Real Lip Tone Lip Tint in number 5, Rose Wood. Show you guys the packaging. Oh, that's so cute. It looks like a little apple. Wow. Ooh, that's a very, very red, like red color. Should I try it on for you guys? This seems very intense. I'm kind of scared. I'm just gonna dab. Oh, that's not bad. I thought it was gonna be like more intense, but it's actually very subtle. It looks very like saturated. Ooh, that's not bad. Is it me, or does it make me look like really pale? This one is from the Saem. This is the Perfume Body Lotion in Apricot. Actually, I'm just gonna open it to see how it smells. Ooh. Smells like peaches. I'm just gonna put some on. Ooh, whoops. That's a little bit too much. There you go. Wow. Very, very subtle smell, but oh, it smells so good. It contains olive oil, sunflower seed oil, jojoba seed oil, and it's supposed to help achieve radiant skin. I forgot to mention that the retail value of this lip tint is $7.99, and then the retail value of the body lotion is $12.99. Oh, I can't get over that smell though. Whew, it smells so good. Woo! Okay. From Sandepin. This is the My Honey Clean Sponge Cookie. It says, this cookie puff will help build your appetite for brunch. It will remove makeup and dirt hidden within your pores without irritating your skin. So you basically wet the puff with water, and you gently rub your face to remove your makeup. And it can be used with your favorite cleanser, but your cleanser is not necessary for it, but you can definitely use it with your cleanser. Oh, this is how it looks like. It does look like a big cookie. So I guess you're just supposed to like wet it and like put your cleanser on it if you want, and then like just remove your makeup. I want to use this tonight. It looks really interesting. And the retail value for this is $6.99. Next up we have from Saresmin. This is the Perfect Solution Serum, and it retails for $8.99. And it says, let your skin feast on this nourishing serum. With a base of oriental herbs and white flower extracts, this serum will help your complexion grow. So there's two different versions. There's the vitamin version, which contains vitamin B3 to help restore your youthful radiance, and then their hyaluronic acid one, which contains hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin for a dewy glow. And I want to say I have, oh, it says right here, duh, it says vitamin on the front right here. So there you go. Let's see how it looks like. And it says, with the number 1 facing your hand, press gently on the injector and dispense about 1 milliliter of product into palms. Apply serum to clean toned face and neck, and it's designed to be used 5 times. Oh, here's how it looks like. It literally looks like a syringe. But, oh, that's interesting. So it's numbered, and it's used, you're able to use this at least 5 times, and every time you use a portion, you have to go up each number. So that's pretty interesting. This next product is from Mise-En-Scene. This is the Perfect Repair Hair Treatment Serum, and it contains oils that leave hair looking smooth and smelling great, and it works wonders on dry or damaged hair. Bingo! Right here. You're supposed to leave it on after you shampoo your hair for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then just rinse with lukewarm water. So, oh, it says that you can actually use this in the shower with a steam cap for extra deep treatment. Interesting. So this retails for $15, and it contains argan oil, coconut, olive, apricot, jojoba, marula, camellia. Last product we have from Skin17. This is the Cafe Latte 3-Step Mask. And you guys know I love my 3-step masks because they are a time saver and they're a space saver too. So here's how it looks like. Pretty neat packaging, very cute. So you have 3 different steps, and it says this 3-step mask will leave your pores feeling tight and your skin hydrated. So after washing your face, apply step 1 onto your forehead and nose. And then step 2 goes on your jawline, and then place sheet mask over your face. After 15-20 minutes, remove the mask and rub the remaining essence into your skin. I feel like it's always from left to right. So I want to say this is step 1, step 2, and step 3. And then this retails for $5.99. Let me total all of this up for you guys, okay? Give me a second. So the total retail price for all the products combined, if you were to pay full price, comes up to $57.95. So you're saving minus. So you're saving $33.95. Alright, so that is it for the bead box. Now we're going to move on to the Mask Maven. Alright, so moving on to the Mask Maven, just a quick recap. You get 9 different types of masks for the price of $15 a month. So again, I'm just going to grab and go. So just like the beauty box, you get a little menu of the items that are included in your month's Mask Maven. So I'm just going to grab random ones. Let's start with this little tiny one. So this one is the Skin Boni Wash Off Mask in green tea. And it looks like this. Super cute. So on the menu it says that this nourishing mask contains antioxidant-rich green tea powder and other extracts that will boost your skin's overall health. And so how you're supposed to use it is you're supposed to apply your thin layer onto clean dry skin, and then you want to leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water, and then follow up with your regular skincare routine. So So on this informational card, it doesn't exactly list the retail price for it. So unfortunately, I can't give you the cost of this mask, or the mask and the Mask Maven in general, so sorry about that. I also noticed that on the informational card, it's actually separated into categories, just like a menu, which is really cute. So you have the oatmeal side, the drinks, and then the omelets, which is really cute. Next, we have from Papa Recipe. This is the Papa Recipe Bombee Black Honey Mask Pack. And it says, honey provides nutrition that brightens skin and leaves your face feeling and looking smooth. And I feel like I've gotten one of these in the past before. Maybe not. I'm not too sure. By the way, if you guys see snot running down my nose, I'm sorry. It's just my allergies again. It's just like kicking my butt right now, so. This one is from Candy Lady, and I've gotten a couple of these in my previous boxes before, but I don't have this version of it. This is their honey one. So this particular mask is supposed to leave your skin hydrated, smooth, and it's supposed to hydrate dull skin. I'm sorry if the lighting keeps changing. It's just because every time I focus on something, the background gets dark. So I apologize about that. And if the color starts looking warmer and cooler, I apologize about that too. It's just, there's really no way I can control it with natural lighting, so sorry about that. This one is from Annie's Way. This is the bubble tea mask in the black tea version, and I actually got a couple of these in my previous boxes too. So the menu says that black tea is perfect for your brunch date. This mask is packed with antioxidants that protect skin and fights signs of aging. Next, we have from the Saem, which is one of my favorite brands for masks. This is the Natural Oatmeal Mask Sheet. The menu describes this one as it keeps skin soft and well hydrated and works well for all skin types and smells great. Next we have from the Saem again, and this is the Natural Tox Tomato Mask Sheet. Ooh, can I say how cute the packaging is? Look at all these really cute tomatoes. They look so delicious. So it says tomato extract brightens skin, leaving you with a smooth and clear complexion, perfect for a brunch date. Ooh, this contains vitamins A and K to help provide moisture and elasticity to the skin. You know, sometimes the packaging is so cute that I end up just like hoarding it. Like I don't use it, I just end up keeping it just to keep it. This one is from Esfolio. This is the Pure Skin Essence Mask Sheet, and this is in the egg version. And I feel like I've been coming across a lot of different types of egg version facial masks, and I actually am really liking it because I feel like the egg texture is very interesting. So if you guys ever get an opportunity to try an egg version of a facial mask, please try it because it's very interesting. And I mean, it's no different than any other facial mask, but the texture itself is very different. So this one, I'm kind of confused. It says that it's from the Saem, but this name on the front of it says that it's from Foodaholic. So this is the Natural Tox Tomato Mask Sheet, but I somehow got the pomegranate one, so I don't know if they just put it in there by mistake. It says that it's supposed to help with elasticity and moisture. So the last one I have is from Cos.W. This is My Real Skin Egg White, so another egg product for you guys. This is for tightening and pore care. So the egg white tightens large pores and cares pores to make smooth skin. I wonder if I can make my own like egg white mask and just use egg whites. I wonder if that's the same. Probably not, but whatever. So even though the Mask Maven it doesn't list the retail price, but it's supposed to have a total value of $30 within the whole bag. So if you guys haven't already subscribed, I will leave a little coupon code down below in the description box and on my screen. The code is MY25 to receive 25% off your first box. You guys have until the 15th of September to be able to get this month's box, and this month's theme for September is going to be back to self-care, and every week Beauteque, they actually release like a little sneak peek of an item that will be contained within the box. So go ahead and check out the website. I'll leave their links and everything you guys need down below in the description box. So that's it for my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A special thank you to Beauteque for sending me their lovely products to unbox for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.